Hi, I'm Jim Callari. I'm the editorial director of Plastics Technology magazine. I am joined by my colleague, executive editor Matt Naitove. This is another installment of our discussion on Tech Days. Tech Days is an interactive webinar series that Plastics Technology has launched that will run through the middle of December. We have two sessions every Thursday, one in the morning, one in the afternoon. Coming up next week, October 29th, Matt is going to be moderating a session on digital manufacturing. Matt, what's that going to be all about?
Well, digital manufacturing is a big term with a lot of meanings. Some of the ideas that are going to be packed into it include what some people refer to as smart factories or Industry 4.0. Three speakers from Smart Attend, Arberg, and Conair will address these concepts, emphasizing the advent of technologies for such things as collecting, analyzing, and displaying data from every machine in a plant and distilling it into a customizable dashboard that presents the most crucial information in a quick and easy to grasp format, as well as technologies that allow different machines to talk to each other in real time. This can enable true cell level process control. Another aspect is retaining a single setup recipe for all components of a cell to ensure that an approved or qualified process is repeated exactly on each run. And there is collecting and retaining all quality related data from the main processing machine and all auxiliaries.
Right. Sounds like it's going to be a jam-packed full of information. So
I hope so.
I'm going to be moderating compounding in the afternoon. It's going to focus on twin screw compounding. We're going to try to keep it practical, looking at some applications like recycling. Also look at some applications maybe that don't really receive a lot of attention, devolatilization and reactive extrusion. So we are going to have two information-packed events next Thursday. Digital manufacturing in the morning from 10 to 12, compounding in the afternoon from 2 to 4. You can click on the link right below this video to register. So we hope to see you there. Thanks, Matt.
Thank you.